Uganda's insurance penetration remains one of the lowest in the region, standing at about 0.8% of GDP, according to industry figures. Sector players are now raising concerns over delayed claims settlements, which they say continue to undermine public confidence in insurance services and slow down growth of the industry. The concerns were raised during a CEO breakfast meeting held in Kampala, bringing together leaders from the insurance and corporate sectors.
So in short, that's the Prudential team. And you can see they are all very young, with the exception.
Speaking during the CEO breakfast meeting, the chairperson of the Insurance Brokers Association of Uganda, Rita Mutesi, noted that complaints about delayed payments on claims settlements remain a major challenge affecting insurance uptake. She attributed this partly to limited public awareness about insurance products and services to intensify sensitization efforts.
Complaints from the public around delayed claim payments. Some clients have reported claims, and because of one or two reasons, there have been delays in payments, and maybe because of the processes that are involved around the whole settlement chain. So we've had complaints around claim settlements. We've also had complaints from clients who thought they were buying X, and when the time of the claim came, they were told it was Y. So there's been misadvice that has been given by members sometimes. We've also had challenges around failure to live by the contract. You know, for example, a client believed that they bought this contract, it was meant to cover A, B, C, D, but the insurance company will then wake up and say, no, we did not have a contract with you. So there are a bit of challenges around the sector, and like I said, it is a growing sector, and I also believe that some of the challenges are because of lack of sensitization. Most members of the public do not really understand insurance. Insurance is a complex subject, meaning that as a sector, we have a lot of work to do around it.
Uganda's insurance penetration has remained below 1% for years despite ongoing efforts by regulators and industry players to expand coverage. Stakeholders say increasing public trust and awareness is critical to attracting more Ugandans into the insurance sector. To bridge the gap, industry leaders are calling for stronger collaboration between insurance companies and brokers through awareness campaigns and the development of innovative products tailored to consumers' needs, according to the Prudential Uganda Executive Director, Tete Aitevi.
So the market is immense, the opportunity is immense. We need to be out there with full awareness, but with a full capability to answer the questions that customers have and give them the solutions that they need. So this penetration issue is foremost on our minds. It's what gives us a business raison d'etre. It's the reason why we do what we do. It tells us that the market is there to support our business, and so penetrating it is number one on our minds. Indeed, if you look at the growth of the life sector, that's where we operate, you can tell that there's a consistent uptake. And the only thing we have to do is how do we accelerate this, you know. But we also are mindful of the fact that when people start participating in these engagements and participating in their products, the end result of claim payments is extremely important. But once that messaging is right, once where the tire hits the road, people come back and say, we enjoyed this.
In the meeting, chief executives were further urged to embrace risk governance by proactively identifying opportunities and finding solutions to emerging challenges if their organizations are to remain competitive and achieve sustainable growth.
Is that we need to move to risk governance. Because risk governance then deals with, the element of uncertainty. Because that's the bread and butter of insurance, right? Uncertainty, risk. Risk governance. We look for where the opportunities are. We identify the opportunities. We're concerned with resilience. Risk governance seeks to answer the question, are we taking the right risks and managing them effectively? Risk governance then centers on strategic oversight. Are we creating value?
Minam Soke for NSTV.
Thanks.